Hey there, adventurers! Welcome back to the Critter Corner and Animals 101. I'm Hannah, your safari guide, and today we're going to talk about something very important. What animals need to survive. Are you ready? Let's dive in. All animals, whether they live in the jungle, the ocean, or your backyard, need certain things to survive. Today, we'll cover the main necessities: food, water, shelter, and air. We'll also learn about the difference between living and non-living things. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the difference between living and non-living things. Living things, like animals and plants, grow, change, and need food, water, air, and shelter to survive. Non-living things don't need these things and don't grow or change on their own. Non-living means something that is not alive. Rocks and water are non-living things. Animals require a mix of living and non-living things to keep them alive. One of the living things animals need is food. Every animal needs food to give them energy and help them grow. Different animals eat different types of food. Lions, for example, are carnivores, which means they eat meat. They hunt animals like zebra and antelope to get the nutrients they need. Elephants, on the other hand, are herbivores, which means they eat plants. They munch on grasses, leaves, and wood to stay healthy. And some animals, like bears, are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and animals. Bears might eat fish, berries, and insects to get a balanced diet. One of the non-living things animals need is water. All animals need water to survive. Water helps them stay hydrated and keeps their bodies working properly. Elephants drink a lot of water, up to 50 gallons a day. They use their long trunk to suck up water and spray it into their mouths. Animals not only drink water, but they also use it to keep themselves clean and healthy. Now, let's talk about shelter. Animals need a safe place to live, rest, and raise their young. This shelter can come in many forms. Beavers build lodges out of sticks and mud to create cozy homes near the water. These lodges protect them from predators and harsh weather. Birds often build nests in trees to lay their eggs and keep their babies safe. Each bird species builds its nest a little differently. Some shelters can be even bigger, like a bear's cave or a fox's den. And some animals require less shelter than others, like the wildebeest on the African savanna. Lastly, we have air. Do you think air is living or non-living? That's right, non-living. All animals need air to breathe. Air is made up of different gases, but the most important one for animals is oxygen. Fish get oxygen from the water using their gills. Gills take in oxygen from the water so that fish can breathe. Land animals, like the lion, use their lungs to breathe in oxygen from the air. They need clean air to keep their bodies healthy. So, adventurers, now you know the main things animals need to survive: food, water, shelter, and air. Plus, you've learned the difference between living and non-living things. Isn't it amazing to see how all these things come together to help animals live and thrive? Thanks for joining us on another episode of Animals 101. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you can keep going on more adventures here in the Critter Corner. Leave us a comment and tell us what your favorite animal is. See you next time, adventurers!